Good morning and assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all will be fine. Okay, dear students, this is your English class. As all of you know that we have completed the reading of our first unit, that is passions, right? And we have also done the words meaning. So today we are going to write word sentences of unit 1. So for written work, you have to open your rough register and prepare your page. First of all, write date, proper margin lines, CW, and English A1. Then write topic in the upper left corner. Draw double underlining. Then unit 1, the name is passions. Then draw a line for word sentences. Ready, all of you? Okay, so we have 5 word sentences taken from the unit. The first one is patiently. As I told you that when we add ly at the word at the end of a word passions, so automatically the pronunciation of that word will be changed from patience to patiently, right? Okay, पेशेंटली की मीनिंग है साबिर, ठीक है, सब्र करने वाला. टॉलरेंस, जो टॉलरेंस है इसकी synonym है. Synonym, do you know what is synonyms? Those words having different spellings, different pronunciation, but same meaning. So such type of words are called synonyms, right? Okay. So for the word patiently, we have a sentence that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam treated every living soul patiently. Living soul का मतलब है कि हर जानदार हो, चाहे वो इंसान हो या जानवर, ठीक है, हर किसी के साथ वो नरमी से पेश आते थे. Treated यानी बर्ताव करना उनके साथ. Okay, now write number in the serial line. Second, write 2 for word number second in the serial line. Second word is trait. Do you know what is the meaning of trait? We discussed that earlier during the reading. All right. So a trait is खुसूसियत, जो गुड क्वालिटीज होती है, राइट? सेंटेंस फॉर वर्ड ट्रेट इज आई वांट टू राइट ऑन द पर्सनैलिटी ट्रेट्स ऑफ माय टीचर. यानी जो मेरी टीचर है उसकी पर्सनैलिटी में, उसकी शख्सियत में जो गुड क्वालिटीज है, सो आई वांट टू राइट ऑन दैट. क्लियर? वर्ड नंबर थर्ड इज, बच्चे साथ साथ नंबरिंग देते जाए. अच्छा, राइटिंग शुड बी नीट एंड क्लीन. ट्रीटेड का मतलब है बच्चे बर्ताव करना, पेश आना उनके साथ, ठीक है ना, कि कैसे वो उनके साथ सलूक करते थे. ओके, थर्ड वन इज एस्पेक्ट्स. I looked at the problem from every aspects. Every aspects यानी हर लिहाज से. एस्पेक्ट्स का मतलब है हर लिहाज से, ठीक है. जब कोई मसला होता है ना, तो हम कहते हैं कि इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए हमें हर एक एंगल से इसको देख लेना चाहिए। क्लियर? Yes, बच्चे, you can write that in your rough register, but your writing should be neat and clean. Word number 4 is consequences. 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 Right? This is the consequences of my hard work. As I told you earlier that the meaning of consequences is the outcomes, the results, right? So ये मेरे सख्त काम का नतीजा है, मेरी मेहनत का सिला है. The last one word is mankind. तमाम बनीनू इंसान, ठीक है? All human beings. All mankind should follow the sunnah of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sunnah means the way, the living way of life of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. How he spent his life, okay? What thing he obeyed and which things he avoid. Okay? So these were 5 words meaning. Now draw full finishing line because this one topic is finished. Now we are moving towards the question answers of the same unit. Here we have 3 questions. Prepare your page, next one page, okay? But if you have space on that one page, then draw full finishing line and you can write on the same page also. Question number 1 is, how did the people of Taif treat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? So, bache, as you know that we have discussed this during the reading. So, I think all of you know the answer of this question, that how the people of Taif treated Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The answer is, they mocked him. I told you what is the meaning of mocked. Mocked mean मजाक उड़ाना, ठीक है? हंसना किसी के पीछे, तंज करना किसी पे. They mocked him and pelted him with pebbles. Right? Pelted की मीनिंग है यानी फेंकना, उन पे बरसाते थे, फेंकते थे, throw. Pebbles छोटे छोटे जो पत्थर होते हैं, छोटी छोटी कंकरियां जो होती हैं. Okay, so one question and the answer of that question is finished. So now draw half finishing line. Draw half finishing line and give heading of question number 2. Question number 2 is, why was Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam called Sadiq and Al-Amin? You know why? I think all of you know the answer of that question. So the answer is, Sadiq means the truthful. ठीक है? सच्चा, जो हमेशा सच बोलता हो, the truthful. And Al-Amin means the trustworthy, यानी जिन पे ट्रस्ट किया जाए, जिन पे यकीन किया जाए, जो एतबार करने के काबिल हो. Right? So the answer of second question is, Sadiq means the truthful and Al-Amin means the trustworthy. Because of his honest nature, people call him Sadiq and Al-Amin. All of you done? बच्चे, write neat and clean in your rough notebook and do care of capitalization and small letters, that which one will be small and which one will be capital. Clear? Now draw half finishing line and moving towards the third one question, that is, how did Rasulullah treat his opponents? Opponents की meaning है जो उनके मुखालिफ थे, जो उनके दुश्मन थे। कि रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अपने मुखालिफिन को अपने दुश्मनों के साथ कैसे सलूक करते थे, कैसे उनके साथ कैसे बर्ताव करते थे। द आंसर इज ही ऑलवेज ट्रीट देम पैशनेटली, वो हमेशा उनके साथ सब्र से पेश आते थे, यानी उन पे गुस्सा नहीं होते थे। एंड प्रे फॉर देम ऑल द टाइम, और हर वक्त उनके लिए दुआ करते थे। क्या दुआ करते थे? कि अल्लाह ताला इनको सीधी राह दिखाए, ठीक है, इनको हिदायत करे। किस चीज की? अल्लाह के रसूल को मानने की और इस्लाम कबूल करने की, दीन इलाही को कबूल करने की, ठीक है। और नेक्स्ट वन टॉपिक इज फिनिश्ड। Draw full finishing line and moving towards fill in the blanks of this one unit. Write topic, fill in the blanks, proper underlining, that each and everything should be completed, okay? Good. Well done, shabash. Azlan bache, well done, shabash. Okay, so number first is Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was called dash due to his truthfulness. I told you that what is the meaning of sadiq? Truthfulness, ठीक है? So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was called sadiq. In the blanks there will be a word sadiq due to his truthfulness. अपनी सच्चाई की वजह से, अपनी सदाकत की वजह से he was called sadiq, right? Okay, the next one is the people of Taif refused, इनकार करना, ठीक है, टुकराना किसी चीज को, to accept. The people of Taif refused to accept dash what? ताइफ के लोगों ने कौन सी चीज को मानने से इनकार किया? कौन सी चीज का इतराफ करने से इनकार किया? इस्लाम, ठीक है, दीन इस्लाम को मानने से इनकार किया। The third one is Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam stayed in, बच्चे stay is the first form, stayed and stayed is the second and third form. So stayed is the second form of stay, or stayed belongs to past tense because we always put ed in the past tense. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam stayed in Taif for dash. For how much time? For 10 days, right? He stayed in Taif for 10 days. The fourth one is Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was accompanied by dash when he traveled to the city of Taif. Accompanied की meaning है साथ देना, हमरा जाना, ठीक है, किसी का साथ देना। ट्रेवल सफर, सिटी शहर। रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम जब ताइफ शहर की तरफ सफर कर रहे थे तो उनके साथ कौन जा रहा था? हजरत जैद बिन हारिस, राइट? Hazrat Zaid bin Haris was with him when he was traveling to the city of Taif. Okay, the fifth one and the last one is the word patience means dash tolerance. Tolerance की भी meaning है सबर करना, साबिर रहना, right? Okay बच्चे, draw full finishing line, speed up शाबाश। बच्चे वॉइस प्रॉब्लम अगर आ रही है तो दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ सम टेक्निकल इश्यूज। चेक योर इंटरनेट कनेक्शन शाबाश। अपना इंटरनेट कनेक्शन चेक करें। Our next one topic is fill in the missing letters to complete the words। ठीक है बच्चे, आप लोगों को ऐसे डिफरेंट वर्ड्स दिए गए होंगे जिसके दरमियान में से जो लेटर्स है उसको रिमूव किया गया होगा and you have to put the exact letter on that blank to make that word complete, right? The first one is WORL and further it's incomplete. So what we will put, look at the bracket here. I have underlined D over here. So in the blanks, we will put D over here and it will become a world. World means dunya. The next one is COM dash LET dash. So we will put the actual letters over here to make it a complete meaningful word. And this is COMP. In the first blank, we will put P. LET is also given. And at the end, we will add E, right? The third one is HONEST, honest. The fourth one is truth. The missing letters I have underlined there. ठीक है? The fifth one is forgive, माफ करना, ठीक है? And the sixth one is dozen, दर्जन, ठीक है? अच्छा बच्चे, the time is going to be over now, so we will continue our this one topic in the next lecture. But before that, note down your homework. Acha, your homework is write 10 words with silent letters in your notebook and pronounce them. Okay? This is our tomorrow topic. Tomorrow we will discuss this one topic, but before that you have to do a little bit practice and to take a short idea about silent letters like HONEST. This is not honest. This is honest. The H is silent over here. The next one is right. WRITE. Right. So we don't pronounce it like right. We pronounce it like right. We take start from R. So you have to write 10 silent words like this. And I will check that by tomorrow. All of you will show that to me. Okay, bache.